Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add someone or how to find someone on Google Chat. Okay, first of all, let's just open our Google Chat application on our phone. And if you want to find someone on Google Chat, we have to type the email address of someone that we're looking for. And we can type on the search button right here. And for example, I'm going to find this email address. Make sure that you input the email address correctly, like this. Okay, and this is the account that I'm going to find. Then we just need to tap on the email address or the account. And then here we can start the conversation. I'm going to say hello. Okay. Alright guys, and that's how we can find someone or add someone on Google Chat. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.